Hey guys, this is a quick look unboxing review at the QuietComfort 35-2 gaming headsets that just released. So let's open it up, take a look, stay tuned, should be wicked. So I should be a good candidate for review because I've been using the regular QuietComfort 35-2s for the past almost 5 years or whenever they came out. So pretty cool, TeamSpeak and Discord certified, Google Assistant and Alexa built in. If you see here, they have this little dock area for the aux cord volume up and down and whatnot, and much better boom mic. And this is this particular headset is like sponsored by like Major League Gaming and whatnot, because they're really trying to get into that space. All right, so a little bit bigger surface area of a case than the regular QuietComfort 35s, except this is a lot thinner. Like the profile on the regular 35s are probably like down to here, right? But this is a big, much wider one. So let's just see what else is in the box. So you get your instruction manual. You have your cable for the headset. And this guy here has, let's just see, mute button that goes up and down like that. Seems kind of hollow and cheap, this thing. I'm not sure if over time that will work well or not. Awesome, beautiful, thick cable. And then this is your dock connector item that has wheel, so I'm not quite sure, I think it's for volume. Then you have multifunctional button and the aux cable connector, right? So depending on where you put this in, you can just hard line it. They still work as Bluetooth, obviously, but if you want more reliable connections, you're going to want to use the aux connector. Also, one of the benefits of using this is it goes through USB, which could be better for recording. I know the Mod Mic wireless is much better because it goes through USB and doesn't use Bluetooth, like the worst quality microphones, Bluetooth by far. So bendable microphone, looks nice. It's got this rose gold type of feel, very pliable. Goes into the bottom of the gaming headset. So let's put this back in here for now. Take a look at the actual headphones. So same kind of looking case. You have this extra thing on the back to put any extra cables you can have. Pretty nice. Not sure how good the rose gold goes over with the gaming community. I understand that, there's male and female professional gamers, but, something silver or something neutral might resonate a little bit better. Yeah, cool. So they got the inset in there. The traditional, or the old Mark IIIs, 35 Mark IIs, this is just black. Same kind of buttons, micro USB. I'm not sure why they didn't put in USB-C. Then you have your multifunctional button, which matches that circle dongle that's in the pack. They pretty much look exactly like, might bend a little bit better, but they look exactly like the 35-2s. The only difference is the color. It's embossed a bit, pretty nice. Or embossed a bit, and the included microphone and whatnot. So it might just be like a little bit of a slight upgrade than a brand new headset. I mean, they are calling it the QuietComfort 35-2 gaming headset, which is probably the same, but they include some extra stuff. So let's just get a fit test. Yeah, it feels identical to the 35.2s. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try these on. I'm going to use them for all day, using at my computer, conference calls, anything, and I will report back. So pretty fantastic noise cancellation. I'd say the quality is, the same with it connected here versus Bluetoothing to a computer. And my little buddy here, Ollie, was sitting on the table meowing very loud. I didn't hear it at all, but I saw him there, so I started petting him, right? But enough about me and my cat. So this is pretty awesome. The wheel, it's got grips on the bottom so it doesn't move around. And then if you see up here, you can change the volume up and down. And this multifunctional button, you can pause and play and pick up calls and whatnot. So this cord here, USB, is very, very long, right? But this cord that goes to it, like this has to be like right beside you, because the headphone is very, very short. So I'm sure you can get extensions, but you probably don't want to do that because it comes at a risk of, as soon as you connect two auxes together, there could be some quality disruptions and whatnot, and the multifunctional button's not working and whatnot. Yeah, so I would say this is the current ones I use, which is the 35.2s with an Antlion Mod Mic wireless. So the next thing I'm going to do is test the microphone versus Mod Mic wireless, and I'm just testing it to this one because it's the best microphone that I've ever used in my life compared to this. So I really hope this one's better, because this guy here is about $200, and you can just kind of stick it. They give you these little stickers and you can stick them on anywhere you want. So let's do that next. Okay, bud? Whew, tired. So I was incorrect about the multifunctional button. What it does is allow the microphone to transmit your own voice into the ears so you can hear yourself when you're talking. It has 4 settings: off, so when you talk you can't even hear yourself, kind of muffled, right? And then low, medium, and high. Yeah, I kept it on high. It sounds pretty cool. You feel like a broadcaster. Pretty nice. And here I am using the Bose QuietComfort 35.2, the gaming headset. I'm on their website now, and this is the device I'm using right now. This is going to USB and a USB 3.0 port. I have this button here set all the way up to high, and the microphone is connected via the aux cable that's going in here. And this is how the Bose QuietComfort 35.2 gaming headset set microphone sounds. This microphone is Discord and TeamSpeak certified. So this is the Mod Mic wireless from Antlion. Just scrolling through their website here. Upgrade your audio. Mod Mic is a microphone concept. It's USB, and you got to charge it every night. But this is how it sounds. And from a bunch of reviews, I decided on this microphone, and it does sound very good. So all in all, these fit a little differently. You can kind of tell that there was some changes in how they're built. Overall, it's slightly better. So this is like a marginal improvement on the 35.2s. Sound quality is slightly better. Again, like I feel like everything with these is 5% better. Now the microphone is pretty awesome. In the video that I just played, comparing the Antlion Mod Mic and this, the Mod Mic section, I had to turn the volume down when I was editing the video to 50%. So that's 50% of the output. So while the Mod Mic one gives you more digital boom and bass in picking up natural speech, this, I feel like it doesn't distort or change the audio in any way. So if you have it close enough to your mouth, like I feel like mine wasn't as close as it could be. I think it's fantastic, great clarity, but to each their own. I'll let you guys decide. Like, I'm on the fence of which one to use at this point, having used the mod mic for about a year now. I do like how this is all integrated, looks beautiful, very useful. And this part here, you can hook to an Xbox controller or whatnot right at the bottom and use the mic as you see fit. So all in all, completely impressed. This is definitely a good marginal leap for the QuietComfort 35.2s. Hope you guys liked this quick unboxing look and review, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.